Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today for this week's Friday haul. It is Friday, September 2nd. I hope you had a wonderful week. Happy Labor Day weekend to everybody here in the US. As you can see, I got a new covering for my table. This is vinyl fabric. The one that I had before was from Hobby Lobby, the black and white buffalo check one. And usually when that one gets messed up, I just buy some, a new yard or so from Hobby Lobby, but I was getting tired of the same pattern and they don't really have too many different ones. So I was looking around online and I found a place on eBay. The seller is called Food Court and they sell vinyl fabric or marine vinyl by the yard, and they have 50 different colors. It's only $10.80 for this color, and as you can see, it's got a really nice soft cotton backing, just like the Hobby Lobby one, but a really pretty color. So I picked this up and I have just received it today and spread it out on my table, and I think it looks really nice. The reason I got this is because I wanted to put my glass mat on my table so that my new sidekick would stick to it. You know how it is. You want to do one thing and then it turns into a whole big project. So anyway, I put this on today and I'm very happy with it. The link will be down below for that. Let's get on to the rest of the stuff. I don't have much at all this week. It's a very small haul. But I figured I'd show you anyway, of course, whether it's big or small. I'll be here every Friday. So yeah, besides this, I went to Joannes last weekend just to see what they had. There weren't really any great deals in the paper crafting section of my Joannes anyway. So I did get some more buttons. Last week I had shared the primitive buttons that I had gotten from Etsy. So Joannes has these in the button section, and they're the Flare brand. There are 23 buttons, and these are like primitive hearts. There's like mustard, and I think it's a dark blue and a cranberry color. So they come in different sizes. This one, that's a style number in case you want to look it up. It's called Heritage Stars. So I don't think these were on sale, but I did have a coupon. I had a coupon for like 50% off an item, and then, I don't know, there was another coupon too, so I don't know. I got 2 of those, and I got a pack of the candy corn buttons. There was only the one left, so I picked them up, and they're kind of big, these candy corns. It comes with 8 of them, and yeah, they're just called candy corn. They're 15/16 of an inch, 24 millimeters. But I thought they'd be cute to add to projects, even just on the front of a Halloween card, just tie a little cotton through there and you have a nice little embellishment. They're really nice and flat, so good for that kind of thing. So that's what I got from Joannes. Hobby Lobby, I just got 3 things from there. The first one I got was this ornament, and Christmas is 50% off now. So is fall, but it's the first week that Christmas is 50% off. So I picked up this whisk, and this one is normally $3.99, so it was $2. I have the rolling pin and the wooden spoon. I don't know if there are any others, and this might have been there last year, but I never got it. So anyway, I wanted to pick up the whisk, and I think it's really cute. I'll either use it on display in my craft room like the other things, or I might add it to like a gingerbread bucket that I'll be making. So I thought that was so cute. And I also got from Hobby Lobby, this was in the sewing clearance section, this pack of buttons. It's by Soology. It was reduced from $4.99 to $1.49. So they're all in this shade of light pink, but there are different sizes. So does it say no, it doesn't say the name or anything. 2010? Wow. I don't know if that was just the copyright or what, but anyway, I figured I would grab these. Some have 4 holes, some have 2 holes. And I just like the color, and you can't really beat $1.49 for all of these, 151 pieces. So I wonder why not just 150. Anyway, I also got in the book section, they had a bunch of books on clearance. So I got this one by Joanna Basford, or Johanna, 30 Days of Creativity. Draw, color, and discover your creative self. This was $4.48 reduced from $17.95. So I thought this was really pretty. I love to doodle and just color things, you know. So I was thinking I could do this. And some of the options in here, like the first page, I love a cup of tea, add decorations to the teacups and coffee mugs on this page. And then you could always color them too. So pretty, right? And just, it seems really nice and relaxing. It's not just coloring, it's a bit of doodling too. So look at these shelves. Aren't those cute? I really like them. Progress, not perfection. So this would be good for either, you know, adults or young adults, I think. They had a few other kinds of books on sale too. Actually, there were a bunch of books on sale, a lot of drawing and how-to kind of books. So yeah, so I picked that one up. And those are the only things I got from Hobby Lobby and Joannes. I got one thing at Target in the dollar spot. I picked up this pack of 15 tags. So let's go ahead and take a look. It was only $1. Those are the ones that come in it. I assume 5 of each since it says 15. I have a lot of little Halloween things from previous years, so I didn't pick any of those up. But yeah, these are the tags. These say Happy Halloween, and they're cute little pumpkins, and they come with twine already on them, which is nice. So 5 of those, and then there are 5 ghosts that say Trick or Treat. Cute little face. And then You've Been Booed. And we do booing in our neighborhood, so these will come in handy for that. I won't use 5 of them, but I could always, you know, include them in the baskets for the people we give our goodie baskets to. So, or, you know, send them to crafty friends, or even my kids at school. I'm going to send them Halloween packages, so I could add those to them. So that's all I got at Target crafty wise. And then I wanted to thank Sue. Hi Sue, if you're watching. She and I email sometimes and, you know, just have like little crafty conversations. And she suggested when you're doing embossing or glitter to, you know, shake your excess into a coffee filter instead of wasting a piece of paper. So I got these at Walmart today. These are the small basket filters. They fit the coffee makers that are 1 to 4 cups. So I thought that was a great idea because this was like, you know, less than $2 for 200 filters. So much less waste than using a piece of paper to gather your glitter or embossing powder in, and then funneling it back into the container. So you could just use a coffee filter. It's already, you know, kind of cup shaped, so nothing will go anywhere, but then you can easily bend it and pour it back into the bottle. So thank you, Sue, for that idea. I love that idea. So that's it. I think, yeah, that's it for my haul. I wanted to show you guys, remember I had gotten these from Joannes. These are the sweater clips, and I was going to make some clips to add to my cardigans that don't have buttons or fasteners on them at all. So I made a couple of them and I wanted to show you. This was the first one I made, and I think it came out really pretty. It was very simple to do. I just added a couple of jump rings through the clips, if you could see that. And then this one, I threaded all of these beads onto a long eye pin, and then at the end I just wrapped it around one of the jump rings. So it was easy to put together, and I had all these beads. So yeah, and I just made it the length of the eye pin, and I think it's a good length to hold, you know, your sweater in place. But then when I tried it on with the sweater, it looked very dainty. Like it's good for, you know, very lightweight sweaters, but I thought for heavier sweaters I'd need bigger beads. So I made another one, and this one has bigger beads on it. And this one I used a piece of wire instead of an eye pin, so I could customize the length a little bit more. So I just, you know, used some beads that I had already, and I tried to keep the color neutral so I could wear it, you know, with any outfit that I'm going to be wearing. I need to find some gold sweater clips like this. I don't remember if Joannes had them or not. I just got the silver ones. I mostly wear silver jewelry, but I think it'd be nice to have a couple of gold ones too. And I'm thinking of giving these as Christmas presents too, because I don't know, I think they're kind of unique and women need them sometimes, you know. If you're like me and you don't like your sweater just open all the time. So yeah, I want to update you on that. And I did upload a DIY Art Bin Store project share video yesterday, and I made some really cute Christmassy projects, so I hope you check that out. If not, it's my last video before this one. I also got a new KS Craft Design Team package in the mail. I still haven't even opened it, but I'm going to do that this afternoon. Take a look at it. I can't wait to see all the new goodies that Hannah sent me and get started on working on those projects as well. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this quick little haul. I will have a bigger haul next week. I have an order from Frank Garcia Studio coming in with the new Luna and Candy Cane Lane collections. And I also ordered from a Cherry on Top and got some more stuff. So yeah, next week will be bigger. But thanks for watching this little haul. And if you have any questions about anything, please leave them down below. I'll leave the link to the vinyl place in case you're interested in that. And yeah, I'll be back soon with more crafty videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great long weekend, and I'll talk to you later. Bye, guys.